Want to get started sewing but just aren't sure where to start? Whether you're looking to create your own clothes, make home decor, start quilting, or simply pick up a new hobby, Arrow Sewing is here for you. Let's talk about what you'll need to get started sewing. First, gather your essentials. You'll need a sewing machine, a good pair of fabric scissors, a selection of needles, thread, and fabric to get started. These basics are the foundation for any sewing project. Visit your local fabric store, sewing center, or hobby shop and purchase the best you can afford. Quality tools last longer, are easier to work with, and perform better in general. For supply lists and help choosing a first sewing machine, visit our blog. Hand stitching is always an option and a great place to start laying your fabric art foundations. Some projects will require basic stitches like the running stitch, the backstitch, and hemming stitch. These basic hand stitches are the building blocks of all hand sewing, from mending to embroidery, and mastering those basic hand stitches will allow you to tackle a variety of projects by hand. Precision is key in sewing. Take your time measuring and cutting your fabric carefully. This ensures your pieces fit together perfectly, making your finished projects look polished and professional. With precision cutting, a system like the Accuquilt cutter will help with this. It instantly cuts out your blocks, saving you time and energy. Ready to bring out the heavy machinery? Learning how to use a sewing machine is the next step. Get to know your sewing machine by looking over the owner's manual. Everything you need to know about your machine and how to use it, from plugging it in to troubleshooting, will be in that guide. Begin with threading the machine. Practice stitching straight lines. As you get more comfortable with your machine, you'll feel confident enough to move on to more challenging patterns and techniques. You'll be sewing like a pro in no time at all. When you've finished your sewing session, take a moment to tidy up your sewing space. Believe me, future you will thank you the next time you want to sit down to sew. Put pins away in a pin cushion or other pin keeper. Make sure rotary cutter blades are retracted and all shears are safely tucked away. Spare thread scraps and fabric scraps that are too small to be of use can be tossed or set aside to be used as stuffing in toy making. Make sure you're protecting your machine. Clean lint and thread scraps out of your machine after every use and keep it stored safely in a case or in your sewing cabinet to help keep your investment clean and safe. And one more thing, keep practicing. Every expert was once a beginner. The more you practice and explore different projects, the more your skill set and enjoyment will grow. Be sure to like and follow Arrow Sewing for more tips, tricks, and projects and product reviews. Until next time, happy sewing!